What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am outside in my back patio area here, and I am going to be just sprucing it up or just fixing it up a little bit since it is spring, and we're probably going to be out here a little bit more since the weather is getting warmer. Now, we have had a couple of storms come through, so I'm basically just going to be getting up the debris and just rearranging all of my little outdoor patio furniture out here and just making it look a little bit more cutesy. And so I wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, much for tuning in to another video, and let's get right into it. Alrighty, guys, so this is my back patio porch area here, and I have my little Swiffer to just shove some of the debris off of the porch. I did get a little mat that I'm going to put down and a couple of hanging flowers. I do have 2 wasp nests above the door there, so I want to try to knock those down as best as I can. And then just try to make it, you know, it's not really bad, but the grass does need cutting, but I am gonna try to, you know, spruce it up as much as I can. Alrighty, now guys, I am just going to open this little mat here and place it out on the bottom part here. Alright, guys, so this is what it's looking like so far, and I have my 2 little chairs here. I kind of calicorned them so that they would kind of pin the mat down so that it would not move from like wind and stuff like that, because it's like one of those little like mats where it's like waterproof, so it will move if it's not secured down properly. So I kind of have those chairs there to secure it. I also have this little bench here that I am going to put right there in the middle of it to see how that looks as well. And then, guys, I did purchase these little hanging plants here that I am going to hang over the top part. So I have this one, the same one, and we're gonna go ahead and get these hung up. Alright, guys, so far this is what we have. I was able to get my little plants hung up there along the sides of the panels there. At first it was a little hard because I was just trying to figure out how I would get them up there. I thought about using those little Velcro things that are on the window there and hanging them there, because they were seeming to be holding up pretty well and had been there for a while, and I thought that they could hang there, but apparently the plants are too heavy. So I ended up just taking the hooks that came with it and then just hanging them alongside the panel there. And then I also ended up putting a little candle. This is like a candle that kills like bugs and flies and things like that. So this is what that is going to be for, mosquitoes and stuff like that to burn when we are out here. And now that I've kind of got a setup going, I am probably gonna go and purchase more things, but this is a start and I like it so far. And then guys, we do have some little plants here that we are going to be putting into the ground here. I got one piece of a little gate to see what it would look like, but I am gonna go back and purchase more just because I think it would actually be cute just to have this little gate going around them, and it's just got like little butterflies and flowers on it. But I think it'd be really cute for the spring, and all you do is push it into the ground, and then that is what it will look like. And of course it'll look much better once the grass and everything is cut as well. But these are just our little starter plants here with seeds and stuff in them. I think there is strawberry seeds, watermelon seeds, just a regular plant, so we're gonna have to get those together as well. And then guys, even though it is springtime, we still are using our little fire pit that I got. We still do have some cool nights, so I'm just gonna add our leftover wood inside my little fire pit here. And then just add the top back on it. I think we're looking pretty cute. My kids do have a basket of toys there that we're gonna have to figure out what to do with once we, get back out here. But for now, I think this is a start for the backyard patio setup. It's just real simple, real easy with stuff I pretty much already had. Added the rug, and I did purchase those seat cushions to go on there, but I did that a couple of months ago. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm currently sitting in my backyard patio area here, and I definitely love this little setup that I have going on out here for now. And I definitely will be adding more things as time goes on, but for now I think I've created like a cute little space, and it's definitely going to be enjoyable as it gets warmer and warmer outside. I will be able to just incorporate more things out here, especially like a little bit more seating. So I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoy and want to see more content like this, definitely like and comment below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.